There are many benefits to creating a slideshow using the SubLayout enrichment in the AVE digital publishing platform. First of all, you can use any file type you want, such as a native Photoshop PSD format. You can also place text and captions within the layouts and use anchors to trigger other actions. Finally, you can use the new arrow and arrow overlay effect for page transitions. This is what a multi-paged sub-layout placed within an InDesign document looks like on a device. Notice that I've placed an icon above the interaction to let the user know that this is a swipeable enrichment. When I swipe from one InDesign page to the next, each page snaps into place. You'll also notice that an arrow appears during the page transition. This is the arrow navigation mode. It is a visual cue for users to know that there is another item to swipe into. To create a multi-page sub-layout, you start by defining a frame on your InDesign page. I'll define the frame width as 630 pixels. Next, I'll define the height as 340 pixels. Since the page will snap, both of these are static measurements. Now I can make the external sub-layout by choosing File New from the menu. You first need to turn off facing pages since this feature isn't supported. I'll define the width as 630, then I'll define the height as 340. I'll delete the margins by setting all of them to 0. Then I'll click OK to create the new document. Next, you can drag multiple pages into this document. I'll drag in 2 more pages. I've saved the contents of the 3 pages in a library to save time. I'll place the library items on each of the 3 pages. In this type of sub-layout, the swipe motion will automatically navigate the user to the next page within the frame. The next step is to save this document and close it. In the original InDesign document, you can place the horizontal layout you just saved into the frame. Notice that you only see the first frame. Now you can apply the sub-layout enrichment. First, choose your frame that contains the sub-layout. In the AVE Interactivity panel, choose the sub-layout enrichment. Define the scroll direction as horizontal starting left. For fitting, you can choose Fill Without Scroll. For the navigation mode, I'll choose Arrow for the swiveling arrow effect. You can also choose Arrow Overlay to try that effect out as well. You may want to shut off Show Scroll Arrows with Scroll if you already made icons as I have. You can now preview the document to see the multi-page swipe effect. Notice how only the first page appears. As I scroll to the left, I see the arrow effect, and the slide swipes and snaps to the next page. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us directly. Thanks.